beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So I have here my Eyescream beauty box of October, and I'm super excited. I want to see what's inside. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything like that. I want to be genuinely surprised. So let me open it up, and here it is. Here's a little card with all the prices. Let me take these fake chips out of the box, which I love. Oh, I see something in here that has a very nice cover. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. It's the first thing I see. Look at this. It is an eyeshadow palette. This Hera palette is packed with a selection of 16 highly pigmented mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Let's see. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, wow. The border of the mirror is stunning. Look at that. Isn't this pretty? Look at those blues. That's nice. Ooh, this is very pretty. I'm super excited to try this out. Then I see here, this is, oh, I didn't tell you the price of this. Where's my little note? The eyeshadow palette retails for $30. This is a Cocoa Glow Illuminating Drops. This is a soft, shimmery, dry oil for the face and body, suitable for all skin tones. And it says how to use. Shake well before use. Apply onto the face and body for sun-kissed glow. Nice. I already did my foundation and I already set it, so I'm not going to use this right now, but I will use it and see if I like it. Let me open the package. The bottle is nice. It's a very pretty bottle. And this retails for $19. How many ounces it has? Oh, and you can see at the bottom it has, I think it has specks of glitter. I don't know if I'm gonna like that on my face. My body probably, but do you see all that glitter? That's the second item. What is this? What is, oh, a brush. Okay, here's a brush. This is from Paris Tools, and this is the GT02. The Paris Tool Foundation Brush retails for $30. This is for $30. Wow. Oh, but it's soft. I'm gonna definitely try this. The one I use for foundation is this one from Moda, and I really love it, and it actually feels the same. This one's a little more dense because it's shorter, the bristles. This one's longer, so it moves more. But they feel soft. So I'm super excited to try this out too. And it's very bendable. Like it bends easily. Then I see a Mirabella Black Out. What is this? A crayon. Eye crayon. And this crayon retails for $20. Maybe I could use this as a base for black eyeshadow, which I've been meaning to get. It is super, super black. Very black and very soft. I think I'm gonna like this. If it doesn't like transfer or separate, I think I'm gonna like it. It's very matte. This is perfect for Halloween. The last item here is this. This is a cherry lip trio, and it retails for $24. It's enriched with jojoba oil and cherry extract. Okay, it says here is a weightless moisture matte lipstick that delivers a rich and color formulation with a unique super hydrating core enriched with cherry extract and jojoba oil. So it's a lipstick, but they all look the same shade. Let me see. Oh, this is interesting. Look at the inside. It has a little heart. That is so weird. So, okay, I think this one's red. Okay, they're different colors. I was about to say, I was like, why are they all red? No, they're all different colors. Okay, so this one is called, let me start with this one. New. The red one is called Rouge. It looks more orange on camera, but it's not. It's more on the, it's like a red orange, which I don't like red colors like that. And then this one is called Rose. I think I like the first one down here and maybe this one too, but not this one, not the middle one. I'm not into orange red, but they seem super creamy. I gotta see how they feel on my lips. So let me clean this up and see what I do on my face. I think I'm gonna start with this shade here as a transition shade. I've never tried this brand before. Very close to my skin tone, so you probably won't be able to see it. I want to try this yellow up here. It's like a mustard color. It's very pretty. It's nice. Very pigmented. They're working pretty good so far. These mattes are really good. I'm gonna take another brush because I want to use that brown right below it. This is one of those mattes that have a little bit of shimmer in them, but they disappear. I can totally tell that's what it is. I just look at them as mattes. See? I knew that was gonna happen. Gorgeous brown though. It's more like a dark gray. Just put that a little bit here to deepen that brown. I don't know if I explained this at the beginning of the video because I forget everything. But Eyescream Beauty is a monthly subscription box that it guarantees an eyeshadow palette in each box. And it brings either 5 to 7 items, makeup related. And you only pay $25 a month, which is awesome. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Go back in with the brush before that with the brown and blend that out. So it has 2 shimmers that I could see, which is this one up here and this one. The one on the top seems more on the green side. This one, it has like a green shift to it, which is very pretty. The other one's more like a gold. I don't know if you could tell. There, you could tell better. They're very pretty. I don't know which one to use. I'm not going to use this one, obviously, because this is just straight up glitter. I'm not a big fan of chunky glitters like that on my eyes. You have to be really careful with it. So I think I'm going to use... Oh gosh, I don't know. They're similar, but they're slightly different. And that's what I don't know what I want. I think I'm going to go with the green one. Let's do that. I'm going to first apply my glitter primer by NYX, which is this one right here, which I love. And I'll be back to apply the shimmer. And then to top it all off, let me just apply it with the finger. It's actually very pretty because it shifts to like gold or green. I'm going to take a little bit of this one that I didn't use, put it in my brow bone. And in the inner corner. I think for the bottom lash line, I want that dark red. It's over here. And that black. I'm gonna put on mascara, some falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished my eyes. I used this eyeliner from Crown, and it's called Gone Platinum in my waterline. For lips, I went in with lip liner from Appeal. It's a gel liner. You can use it for your eyes or your lips. It's a dark brown. And I chose, out of the 3 lippies, I chose the one that's called Rose. And it's very matte. It is very matte. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels moisturizing, actually. Kind of like it, but I think with this look, I want to top it up with a lip gloss. I'm going to be using this one from Lunar Beauty called Mystery. Just a little bit of it. And that's everything on my face. Everything worked fine. Everything worked great, smoothly. I had no problems with the eyeshadow. I had no problem with nothing that I tried. I still have to try the illuminating drops, the rest of the lippies, and the brush, the foundation brush. But so far so good. I like everything. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.